Hi guys, welcome back to my channel everybody, and here is another unboxing video for all of you. If you like my videos or the content on my channel, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family and relatives. Please let me make it very clear that this video is not sponsored and I have ordered this for my personal use. So without wasting much of our time, let us dive into the product. So today's product, as you can see, is Boya BY-M1, an omnidirectional lavalier microphone. It is basically designed for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Definitely for the purpose of better audio. As it claims to have a super sound, we shall put its sound to test, and you guys shall let me know what you think of this product. Since this is a budget microphone with a 6-meter long cable and most popular among YouTubers, I wanted to give this a try. So let us go ahead and unbox this product. We'll just unbox this first, alright? And then we'll just discuss about its features and specifications. Alright, so there we go. See it inside the box. Can you see that? You have a cover. You have some documentations over here. Probably it must be the warranty card. Yeah, that's a warranty card. Okay, we shall discuss the warranty in a bit. You have it in a leather pouch, if you can see that. It's a nice leather pouch. It's very travel friendly. You can carry it anywhere. Alright, we shall just take out the contents of this in a bit. And this is purely an installation manual, how you're supposed to connect, the main features, how you're supposed to put it on a camera setting and on the microphone, smartphone, with a 3.5mm connector. The features are laid over here. How you're supposed to use this microphone, how you're supposed to mount it on your clothing, alright, how to use it with a laptop, with a smartphone, with a camera, with other devices. So we are just going to show you how to connect to the smartphone in a bit, alright, how you're supposed to replace the battery, also the troubleshooting steps when it's not working. Alright, let us put the contents out. Can you see? I would like to lay everything over here openly to you guys. This is a really long cable. You can see that. You can see that. Dual cable. Alright. Over here. Let's just put this in a side a little bit. And what's come in this packet? Let us unpack this first. So what's come in this packet is the microphone, the basic microphone with a long cable. We should get this out of our way immediately. You have a wind foam. Let's keep it over here. You have a clothing clip with good spacing. You have again one more wind foam, windscreen, foam windscreen. You have another adapter over here, again a clothing clip. So since a dual mic, it is dual mic. Also you've got a single battery over here. Can you see that? Yes, this is the case. Once again, this is the box that has come with this. this is the omnidirectional Boya BY-M1 DM dual omnidirectional lavalier mic. This is the instruction manual, and this is the warranty card. Alright, that's why you've got 2 foam windscreens, 2 clothing clips, and only 1 adapter. Alright, so I got this product for about 1350 rupees, while its MRP is 2995 rupees, 2995. Alright, so what are the features of this product? It's clearly mentioned over here on the box as well. The features of this product is it's just a plug and play mechanism. It's got an aux cable that's supposed to be just put inside the aux port of your device, and simply just get started to record your videos. Alright, it's got a dual mic over here. You can see that it's a dual mic over here, mic 1 and mic 2. I'll just keep it in a manner that it's very clear to all of you. Alright, is that clear? Yup. So it is very easy to use. Alright, easy to clip on anywhere, any part of your outfit, whether it be on your wrist, or whether it be near the collarbone, whether it be on the pants, on the belt of your trousers, anywhere. It's feasibly adjustable. Alright, it's easy to carry. Since it's clearly mentioned over here, it's only for about 68 grams, so you can carry it anywhere. It's travel friendly. It's also come with a leather pouch. You can carry it anywhere. Clearly embossed over here is Boya written over here, neatly embossed. Inside also, the inside of this leather pouch, it's very soft. Okay, you can just pull this and your mic is safe inside. Alright, then it is very light in weight, easy to carry and very light in weight. Alright, it's an omnidirectional lavalier microphone which is going to condense your voice. This means that you can just talk through this mic from any direction, that is for about 360 degrees of direction, and it's going to lower the noise that is there in your environment, and it shall give you a fairly nice quality of voice as an output in your video making. Alright, if you're looking forward to making videos that are full of motion, then please don't go for this, because it's only applicable for still video making. So if you're going to record your videos at a distance of about 6 meters or less than 6 meters, going to be stay away from your camera or your DSLR, or if you're from your desktop, you're going to stay away while recording your video. So it can work really well, but I wouldn't recommend this for videos in vlogging or motion making kind of videos. It won't solve your purpose. It's going to give a lot of noise in those kind of videos, so just be careful. The basic need that this product would suffice is only still video making. Alright, only still video making. People are going to take this long meter cables as a pros of this product, while others are going to get annoyed. So I would definitely recommend to the product developer team that they should have also given a removable cable, for a shorter removable cable over here, so that people who are in need of a longer cable can go for this, but people who are in need of a shorter cable should have gone with a replacement. Alright, also as you can see, there is a battery inside this product, LR44 battery. Okay, so you have to simply unscrew this over here. You can see that. Just unscrew this product over here. To unscrew this, okay, place the battery inside. Make sure that you're placing the battery in a firm manner. Alright, So one of the benefits of this product is it comes with a battery life for about 700 hours. So if you're the one who is making videos for about 1 or 2 times in a day, so it should approximately work for about 10 to 11 months. But if your videos are longer than 10-minute videos or 20-minute videos, so that should drain the battery really fast. All right, probably in 6 months or 7 months. So it's come with 2 foam windscreens to cancel the noise as much as possible. But having seen a lot of reviews, I have come across reviews where people have seemed to record air pressure in their audios. So just be careful with what kind of environment you're recording this in. If it is got a lot of air pressure in the environment, then it might record that on this product. Just be careful with the environment. Just tweak your environment a little bit and you shall be able to make great videos with great audio quality. All right, having to see a market of microphones with good quality microphones available out there, it's better to invest in something that would give you a free hand movement. Can you see that? You can move in about 4 meter space after having this microphone on over your clothing. So it's a good investment. Okay, go for it, guys. Don't think too much. We should put this to see a comparison video of the audio output of all of these devices. Then please comment in the comment section below. All right, please comment in the comment section below. I should be availed only if and only you try to pay for shipping and insurance of this product back to Boya. All right, and it will only be availed if there's certain defect in the product by default, and it shall not be availed if there's any human factor involved in the defect of the product, or abnormalities, or any accidents that might have caused this product to get damaged, or any disaster that might have caused this product to get into a defect mode. All right, the warranty shall not be availed. And those customers who won't be able to show off the warranty card or the invoice of this product, they won't be able to avail the warranty. So be careful when you have purchased this product. Just keep your warranty card safe and your purchase invoice safe. So if you get into any defect of this product, you shall be able to avail it through your warranty. All right. So let us put this product to test. All right. This is the camera that I'm recording. You are able to hear me through a traditional mic. So I'm going to replace this product with this mic right over here now. Let us see how you are able to hear this video. So you're currently listening to me through my internal microphone. So I'm trying to connect the lavalier microphone over here with my smartphone. This is the microphone over here. As you can see, I'm trying to connect it through my lightning port to the 3.5 mm jack. All right, can you see that? Okay, I have turned the microphone into an off mode. All right, can you see that? Hope it's clear. And I'm trying to turn this on now. Are you able to hear me through this? Hello, 1 2 3, mic testing. I'm trying to move away from my phone in order to check how the audio quality is over here with this microphone. You can see over here I'm going to unwind the cable. Can you see that? I have unwinded this cable over here. It's about 4 meters long. It's got a decent length. All right. And it's got a Velcro over here, which is really feasible for you to manage. If you want very less wire, you want to make it less cumbersome, you've got a Velcro over here to just tie it up. All right, so I'm going to unwind this cable now. I want to move away from the camera and try to record this. So I'm trying to put this in the off mode first. That's the off mode. Now I'm going to turn it on. This is the on button over here that I've pressed. So I'm trying to move away from my phone. That's it. Trying to move away from my phone. Can you hear me? How do you feel the audio quality is? I have dropped the mic down, or you can see the mic over here in the camera. I'm going to drop it over here, trying to move away from the phone as long as the cable is. I have moved about 4 meters away from the camera. It's a decent length, guys. It's a decent length and 4 meters away from the camera. So how's this audio over here? This is the audio that you're going to receive when you buy this lavalier microphone. You shall receive the notifications of our new videos as and when they're released. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.